Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. In today's video, we're going to be practicing a few movements that will help with your technique. Most of us spend a lot of time at the desk peering into the laptop, and this creates a lot of discomfort around the neck and shoulders. So the movements that we're going to be practiced today will help you find some relief if you practice it regularly, and some of the movements can also be done at your desk, so you can even do it easily at your workplace. Let's get into the practice. Before you begin, you want to keep a yoga strap or a dupatta or a long towel with you that we can use for the practice today. You can then settle down in a comfortable seated position. You can do this on a chair, you can also sit on your bed, wherever is comfortable for you. Palms are going to be on your knees. You're going to roll your shoulders back and down. Keep the spine tall. From here, as you inhale, you're going to lift your chin up, look up. Exhale, chin down to the collarbone. Inhale, lift the chin up, look up. Exhale and chin to the collarbone. Inhale and look up. Exhale and chin to the collarbone. 3. Inhale and lift the chin up, look up. Exhale, chin to the collarbone. 4. Inhale and look up. Exhale and chill to the collarbone. 5. Inhale, come back to neutral. Now you're going to drop your ear to the shoulders. Exhale, ear to the right shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Now I want you to reach your left hand slightly away from you. Take your right palm, place it on the side of your head. Very gently deepen this stretch. Bring awareness to the side of your neck. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. The shoulder is not squeezing into the ear. Relax the shoulder. 5. Release. Bring your left ear towards the left shoulder. Reach the right hand away from you. Left palm on the side of the head and gently deepen the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Release your hand. Now you want to keep your hands where they are. Drop your chin down towards the collarbone. So rolling your shoulders back. Now as you inhale, you're going to scoop your chin towards the right shoulder. Exhale down. Inhale and scoop to the left. Exhale, center. Inhale, scoop to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale to the left. Exhale, center. Inhale to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale to the left. Exhale, center. Inhale to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale to the left. One more time. Exhale, center. This time you stop at your right diagonal. Take your right hand behind the head, left hand also slightly behind the hip. Drop your chin diagonally down towards the collarbone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Release the hand. Chin to the center. Scoop towards the left diagonal. Left hand behind you. Reach the right arm away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the hand. Bring the chin to the center. Take both your hands behind the head and gently press. Now as you do this, you're not going to round your back. You're going to try and sit tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently release, relax. You're going to place your fingers together. Bring your fingertips on your shoulders. Bring your elbows together for shoulder rotation. Drop your elbows down, back, all the way up, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Meet at the center and let's reverse this now. Up and back. 1. Keep breathing throughout. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release your palms back to the knee. We're going to practice shoulder shrugs. So you're going to lift your shoulders up towards the ear, squeeze there, hold for a second and release. We'll try and coordinate with the breath here. So when you're going to release the shoulders, you're going to exhale through the mouth with a sound. Inhale, release. Inhale, release. Inhale, release. Inhale, release. 2 more. Inhale, release. Last one. Inhale and release. Now we're going to practice few rounds of resistance for the neck. So you're going to interlock your fingers. I'm going to show this to you from the side first. Now your hands are going to rest on your forehead. Now think your chin is trying to move forward. At the same time, your palm is trying to resist that movement and push back. So they are moving against each other, and this will help you to engage the muscles in your neck. We're going to resist, release, 5 times in every direction. So we'll start with the palms on the forehead first. Let's begin. Start pushing your chin forward. At the same time, press the palm back. Resist, release. 1, resist, release. 2, resist, release. 3, resist, release. 4, resist, release. 5. Now taking the hands behind the head. Same way, push back into your palms while your palms resist you. Resist, release. 1, resist, release. 2, resist, release. 3, resist, release. 4, resist, release. 5. Turning to the front again. Now we'll try to do the right and the left side. So just placing your right palm on the side of your head. Try to push into the right palm. Release. 1, push in, release. 2, 3, 4, last one, 5. To the left side. Resist, release. 1, resist, release. 2, resist, release. 3, last 2, resist, release. 4, resist and release. 5. Superb. From here, to work on your shoulders a little bit more, it will also help to release your neck. You're going to take your strap or your dupatta. I want you to keep your elbows absolutely straight when you practice this. The wider you hold the strap, the easier it is. The closer you hold, the more challenging it is. So start with a wider grip. I don't want you to use your spine here. So we're not arching the back and rounding the back. We're going to keep the spine neutral and just focus on using the shoulders. So with the elbows straight, inhale, lift the strap up all the way back, up and forward. 1, up and back, up, forward. 2, up and back, up, forward. 3. Now if you're very comfortable, walk the hands a little closer. Up and back, up and forward. 4, up and back, up, forward. 5, up and back, up and forward. 6, last 2, up, back, up, forward. Last one, up, back, up and forward. Release the strap. I'm going to turn around to show you Gomukasana hands and also how to use the strap for it. So you can continue in a seated position. You're going to take your right arm up, bend the elbow. You can push your hand with your left palm. Try and bring your palms in between your shoulder blades. Now wrap your left arm around you, slide it up and interlock and make this bind strong. You don't want your elbow sticking out, elbow close to your ear. Now relax your rib cage, don't flare your ribs, relax here. Breathe. 1, 2, if you're not able to take the bind, use this strap in the upper hand like this, and then you can start walking your hands closer to each other as much as you can. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Release. Let's switch to the other side. So take your left arm up, back in between the shoulder blades, wrap the right arm around you, slide it up and interlock your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Gently release your hands. The next one we're going to do is a seated cat camel, a little bit more focus on the shoulder and neck. Interlock your fingers behind your head. Now as you inhale, I want you to lift the sternum up, chin up. As you exhale, round your back. Try to bring your elbows towards each other. Inhale and open up. Exhale and round. 2. Inhale and up. Exhale and round. 3. Inhale and up. Exhale and round. 4. Inhale and up. Exhale round. 5. Inhale up. Exhale round. 6. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale and round. 7. Inhale up. Exhale and round. 8. Come back to neutral spine. Release your hands. You're going to turn to one side, come to tabletop position on all fours. Keeping your shoulders stacked over your wrists, hips over the knees. Now as you inhale, look forward and arch your back, chest up, chin up. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to the collarbone. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale and round your back. Inhale and arch the back. Exhale and round your back. Inhale and arch. Exhale and round your back. Inhale and arch the back. Exhale and round your back. Now you inhale and arch the back. Keep arching, keep looking forward. Walk your palms forward without pushing your hips forward. Press your chest down towards the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly take your palms one step back. From here, slide your right arm between your left palm and the knee. Bring your shoulder down. Stay here. Let the side of your head rest on the mat. If you are very comfortable, extend your right leg back, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the leg back to center. Use the support of your left hand to push yourself back up. Sliding your left arm between the right palm and the knee. Threading the needle, rest the side of the head down. Breathe. If you're very comfortable, extend the left leg back. 1, keep the weight in the center. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the knee back in. Use the support to come back up. Slowly sit back in child's pose. You can hold the opposite elbows to rest your forehead or forehead on the floor and completely relax here. So that was a short sweet sequenced for your technique. Definitely try it out, and I'm sure it will help you find that release and it will bring you back to that state of comfort and you'll be ready to go back to work. Practice it regularly and consistently for the best results. I will join you in the next video. Till then, take care. See you.